Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be looking at the 3 best credit cards on the market currently today. I'd just like to start off by saying thank you to absolutely everyone who has hit that subscribe button. We hit over 500 subscribers last month, which is absolutely incredible. So all I can say is thank you for that. Thank you for everyone's participation in hitting the likes buttons and leaving comments, etc. We're going to jump straight into this video, and the first credit card we're going to be looking at is the Platinum Cashback Everyday Credit Card. Now, I have mentioned this in various videos prior to this one. It is currently the best credit card out there at the moment and has been for quite some time now. So with this one, you do get cashback, which is extremely nice. So on here, as a new card member offer, you will get 5% cashback on your purchases up to £100 for the first 6 months of your card membership. So, that's an absolutely brilliant offer. If you're looking at buying something rather expensive, get this card straight away, put that purchase on this card to maximize on the up to the £100 cashback. Now, I will obviously say, and I say this in every video, if you are getting a credit card, make sure you pay it off in full every month. You don't want to get stung by any of those fees. The whole point of having a credit card is to take advantage of the offers, okay, not to use the money essentially as free money and then have to pay lots of fees, because that will just invalidate all the offers that the credit cards offer you. So like I said, make sure you pay off the credit card in full every month so you don't get hit by any sort of fees or whatnot. So if we have a look at this credit card, like I just quickly mentioned, there's a 5% cashback on your purchases for the first 6 months. There is no annual fee on this credit card. A lot of American Express cards you do have to maybe pay monthly or annually. With this card, it is completely free. You can, like it says here, pay off your balance in full or over several months. Now, don't pay it off in several months. That is exactly what they want you to do, and that's where they make their money, is by charging you interest rates on what you owe them. So make sure you pay it off in full every month, then you can maximize the offers. You don't lose out on anything at all, and yeah, it's a much better way. If you're planning on borrowing money through a credit card, just don't get a credit card, in my opinion. Go into the bank and discuss that with the bank. So American Express do offer various offers, experiences, supplementary cards. You are protected from fraud. They have an extremely good customer service. So if there's any issues with that, just contact them and they are more than happy to help, and they do deal with any issues in an extremely efficient manner. Now, like, I'm coming back to the cashback. This is predominantly where the sort of where the benefits lie in this card, is the cashback offers. So you get the 5% cashback for the first £100, or up to £100 in the first 6 months, and after that you'll earn 1% cashback depending on how much you spend. Now, if you spend between £0 and £5,000, you will receive 0.5% cashback on your purchases, and then if you spend over £5,000, you will receive the 1% cashback on purchases. That is an absolutely brilliant offer. Nearly all credit cards out at the moment don't offer any cashback essentially on anything. So this is why I believe this is the best credit card out there at the moment. What I will say is a lot of shops don't actually accept American Express. So you're not going to be able to get that cashback on every purchase, because there are quite a handful of shops that don't allow expenditure on American Express. However, in my opinion, it's a case of if you don't ask, you don't get. So carry the card around. If you can use it, use it. If you can't, unfortunately, you can't. But that's just the way of life. They also have a quite nice little scheme where if you invite your friends, you earn £20 bonus cashback. If you have a lot of friends, you can earn up to £150 a year, which is, again, a nice added bonus on top of that. Like I said, they have various offers, experiences, supplementary cards. You would have to go into that because it is quite a big selection there. I don't really want to cover in this video because it will just drag on way too long. So if you are looking at this card, have a look at absolutely everything it offers. They're easy to set up, easy to get approved, and yeah, that's the American Express Platinum Cashback Everyday Credit Card, the best one out there at the moment. Next credit card we're going to look at is the Marks and Spencer's credit card shopping plus offer. Okay, so with this you get 0% interest rate, 0% interest on purchases for 20 months. You also get 0% on balance transfers for 20 months as well. That's available for 90 days from when the account is opened, and a 2.9% fee does apply, minimum being £5. So if you're looking at either making a big purchase and paying it off over sort of a substantial amount of time, you will not pay any interest on that purchase for 20 months, which is extremely nice. If you've got a credit card where you can just about meet the minimum payment requirements, so you're obviously you're obviously paying fees on the money that you owe, it may be worth looking into this card, paying the 2.9% fee to transfer that balance over to this, and then you will have 20 months to pay off that outstanding balance. So it is a very good balance transfer card as well. The nice thing is as well, if you are a Marks and Spencer shopper, this would be appropriate, because you earn Marks and Spencer's points every time you shop, which can obviously be spent on products, etc. So yeah. So regarding the reward scheme, obviously it says we'll give you 1 point for every £1 you spend in Marks and Spencer's, and 1 point for every £5 you spend everywhere else, which is quite nice. For every 500 points you incur, they will be worth £5, which you can spend on anything you want in Marks and Spencer's. So yeah, I would recommend this as a credit card for people who either have an outstanding balance on a credit card that they're not able to, they're only just meeting the minimum payment requirements, or if you're making a big purchase, you can't currently afford it. However, you would rather pay it off over the span of, I'm going to say, up to 20 months. And it's obviously more beneficial because you won't be taking a loan out anywhere else, which will charge you interest. So that's the best one. Again, like I said, pay a card off in full at the end of every month. However, with this one, it is 0% for 20 months. So you don't always have to pay it off every month. Just don't obviously get carried away and carry on spending because you've got that sort of time period you can pay it off. Make sure you pay off as much as you can, as and when you can. The third credit card we're going to be looking at is the Amazon Classic Mastercard. Now, with this credit card, I'm going to keep this one quite brief. With this credit card, it's more for people with credit history and a credit rating that isn't extremely good at the moment. It's quite easy to get approved for these. With the other two, you obviously do have to have checks and stuff, and they will check. And, not everyone is guaranteed to get those. The majority of people will, but obviously if you've got a bad credit rating, the likelihood is you won't. Obviously, there's no harm in trying. However, if you do get denied for those two credit cards and you are looking at building your credit rating back up, I would definitely recommend the Amazon Classic Mastercard. Like I said, it's a much easier card to get approved from. So when you open the card, you get a £10 Amazon gift card straight away, which is quite nice. Like I said, this is designed more to build your credit rating up, so then you can get, a better credit card, or get a mortgage, or get whatever it is you want on credit. Now you do get interest, 0% interest for the first 3 months on this credit card from the account opening, which is quite nice. And you will get an upgrade to the Amazon Platinum Mastercard after 12 months of regular usage and on-time payments. There are absolutely no annual fees. Again, like I said, make sure you pay it off in full every month, this credit card, because you don't want to get stung by the 29.9% APR representative interest rate. So that is the Amazon Classic Mastercard, more for the people with bad credit rating. So those are the 3 credit cards we looked at today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, thank you very much, guys, and have a great day. Thank you.